Hi everyone, this is Shivkumar from Ropes Organization. So today, chapter number 14 in the 8th class, we discuss about the factorization. So in this factorization, if you observe carefully, the factorization, first of all, what is the factorization? So if we write the factors to the given number, that is nothing but the factorization we can say easily. And if we observe in the exercise, before exercise, if you observe this one, try this is there. In this try this, here they given first one factorize 12x plus 36 and 22y minus 33z and 14pq plus 35pqr. This try this given. So if you observe that one, if you solve that one, see first one 12x plus 36. In this one, the common factor of 12x plus 36. In this one, if you write the solution, 12 we can take common, 12 take common after x plus 12 3s are 36. These are the factors of the 12x plus 36. And the second one, 22y minus 33z. So from these two terms we can take 11 common, 11 into 2y minus 3z. And the third one, see 14pq plus 35pqr. From this one we can take common 7, here pq. So here 2 plus 3 5, 2 plus 5r. Okay, so this is the factorization, simple. Okay, now if we go to another one, see in the exercise 14.1, if you observe this one, first one is find the common factors of the given terms. If you observe that, see common factors we should write. See here in the 14.1, in the first one common factors we have to identify 12x comma 36. In this one common factor of 12x and 36. See solution, here 12x we can write as 12 into x and 36 we can write as 12 into 3. In this both common factor is, so common factor is equal to 12. Like this we have to write. Next second one, 2y comma 22xy. In this 2y comma 22xy we can write 2y is equal to 2 into y, 22xy is equal to 2 into y into 11 into x. That's common factor is here common factor here 2 is common into y. This is the common factor. So directly we can write as 2y. Okay, next third one. In this third one is 14pq comma 28p square q square. So in this one 14pq we can write as 14 into p into q and 28p square q square we can write as 14 into p into q into 2 into p into q. That's common factor is equal to, we can write as 14pq we can write. Okay, so otherwise directly you can write 14 into pq. This one also, see here 14 into pq into 2pq. So here also we can identify 14 into pq. These are the common factors. Okay, now here see another one. If you go to fourth sub question is 2x, 3y and 4. In this common factor, see here, if you observe this, 2x we can write as 2 into x, 3y we can write as 3 into y, 4 we can write as 2 into 2. So if you observe this one, there is no common factor. So here no common factor. And if you go to fifth one, here fifth one is 6abc 24ab square 12a square b. This is the sixth one. So in this one 6abc we can write as 6ab into c, and 24ab square we can write as 6ab into 4b. Now 12a square b we can write as 6ab into 2a. So in this one, if you observe this one, 6ab is a common factor. Common factor is equal to 6ab. Okay, like this we have to write this one common factor. Okay, so if you observe this one, see here, what is the common number and common variable it is coming in all the factors in the given numbers. That is the common factor of the given numbers. Okay, so like this we have to solve. Next, if you observe this one, sixth one, see here, sixth one, 16 x cube minus 4x square 32x. So in this one, solution 16x cube we can write as here 4x square into 4 into 4x. Now here minus 4x square we can write as 4x square into minus 1 into minus 1 we can write. Next 32x we can write as 4x into 8 we can write. If you observe this one in the square also, 4x is a common. Okay, so common factor is equal to 4x. That is a common factor in the all the three terms. Okay, so here minus 1. Now if you observe seventh one, if you observe seventh question, see 10pq, 20qr, 30rp. Here 10pq we can write as 10 into p into q, then 20qr we can write as 10 into 2 into q into r, and 30 here 30 rp we can write as 10 into 3 into r into p. So here common factor is 10. So like this we can write. Okay, so this is the way how to find the common factor. Okay, so if you understand this one, please like and share this video. So this 8th question you can directly do. Okay, so please understand this one and like and share this video. Thank you everyone. Hi everyone, this is Kumar from Ropes Organization. So today in 8th class, the chapter number 14, factorization chapter. In that one, in last video we discussed about the exercise 14.1 clearly. So in this video we discuss about the exercise 14.2. Okay, so this is easy to gain the marks. Okay, so chapter number 14 is a very easy to gain the marks. Okay, now we'll see in this one. If you observe this one, exercise 14.2, factorize the following expressions. So observe here. So in the first question, totally 8 sub-questions given. That all the 8 sub-questions we will solve now. How to solve this one method I am telling you in easy method. All of you observe carefully. See here in the first one in first question, see a square plus 8a plus 16. How I am writing in the simple method? All of you observe carefully. See here, a square plus 2 into a into 4, 2 into a into 4. That's again I am writing 4 square. 16 I am writing as 4 square. Now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Similarly, a square plus 2ab, 2a into 4 plus 4 square we can write as a plus 4 whole square. That's again we can write as a plus 4 into a plus 4. Okay, so like this we can write. Now we see, if you observe second one, now Second sub question. In first second, see here p square minus 10p plus 25. That's we can write as p square minus 2 into p into 5 plus 25. Then this we can write as p minus 25 we can write as 5 square. Then p minus 5 whole square we can write. Now third one is 25m square plus 30m plus 9. This one I am writing as 5m whole square plus 2 into 5m into 3 plus 3 square we can write. Thus we can write as a square plus 2ab plus b square type. Then in the place of a 5m is there, in the place of b 3 is there. Then we can write 5m plus 3 whole square. So if you expand this one, 5m plus 3 and 5m plus 3, that two are the factors. Now fourth sub question, see 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. Okay, so 49y square we can write as 7y whole square plus 2 into 7y into 6z plus 6z whole square. You can write this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a 7y plus in the place of b 6z is there, 7y plus 6z whole square. These are the factors. Now fifth question, 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Observe carefully here. In this one we can write as 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 2 plus 2 square we can write. 4 we can write as 2 square. Okay, so now it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. In the place of a 2x is there, in the place of b 2 is there. Then we can write 2x minus 2 whole square. Now if you go to sixth sub question, see 121b square minus 88b bc plus 16c square. This is the sixth sub question. So if we can write it as 121 we can write as 11b whole square minus 2 into 11b into here 4c we can write plus 16c square we can write as 4c whole square. Thus it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then in the place of a 11b is there, in the place of b 4c is there. So 11b minus 4c whole square we can write. Okay, now seventh one. In the seventh sub question, L plus m whole square minus 4lm. So this type of problems are very important. Okay, now observe carefully here. It is in the form of a plus b whole square ma. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a L is there, in the place of b m is there. So here L square plus 2lm plus m square minus 4lm. See here L square minus 4lm plus 2lm is minus 2lm plus m square. Now it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then L minus m whole square. Okay, so this is the factors. L minus m and L minus m are the factors. Now if you go to eighth one, a power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b power 4. Okay, very confusional question. So observe carefully. Now we can write it as a square whole square plus 2a square b square plus b square whole square. Now it is in the place of a, it came a square. In the place of a square came, in the place of b square came. So in the place of b square came. So now we can write it as, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we can write this one, a square plus b square whole square. These are the factors of a power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b power 4. Okay, so like this we have to solve this one, factorization of the given expression. Like this we have to do. So in the first Roman total, all the 8 sub questions we clearly explained and we clearly discussed this one. Okay, so if you understand this one, please like and share this video. Thank you everyone.